Hi, I'm Pedro Placencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. Today we're in South Monterey County for a tour of this very pretty 40-acre property in the highly desirable Interlake Road area. Let's go have a look. We're here on Interlake Road, and the property is just down the way here, down this all-weather road. It's very, very easy access, and only about 40 minutes to Paso Robles, and I'd say about 20 minutes to the Oak Hill Market or Oak Hill Shopping Center, right between San Antonio Lake and Lake Nacimiento. The rural grazing zoning here provides a wide variety of allowed uses. Of course, there's agricultural uses such as grazing and farming, and it also allows for residential uses, including manufactured homes as well as recreational use. What this means is you can create your own country ranch the way you envision it, the way you've dreamed, and that includes a home, barn, and other agricultural structures. There are a couple points of access to the property, and at the very front here, it's a very open, gently sloping area with some really pretty views of the surrounding mountains. One of the cool features is the varied land, and it's kind of divided by this vein of oak trees, kind of diagonal through the property. There's some cross fencing here, really pretty mature oak trees. This is one of the paths that gets us right over to where the well is located. A big value to this property and attraction here is going to be the utilities. It has a private well, and this is a good groundwater area. It has a storage tank for your water. And there's already PG&E power running right through the property. Let's keep walking out the back. There's going to be the southeast corner of the property, and there's a fence line there. That would be the south boundary. We're about halfway up, and you can see how incredible these views are already. This is a residential area, rural residential, and there are neighbors, but they're pretty spaced out. And the draw here is the easy physical access to properties and the availability of utilities while still maintaining the country lifestyle and privacy and space between neighbors. If you'd like to learn more about this property and others like it on the Central Coast in San Luis Obispo County and South Monterey County, be sure to reach out to me. I'd love to help.